memories never fade. He came, filled my life with colors all over, with all the happiness, with all smiles and no tears. But when he went away all the colors faded. A smile, a tear, sometimes for happiness, sometimes for fear. He made me, loved me, used me, and then threw me away, like a phone, when used. And not enough to satisfy your needs is thrown away. And without even thinking about it once again, I loved him with all I had. He was my life, my smile, my tears, my family, everything, and for him I was just use and throw material. For him I was nothing. He never let others knew about our relation. He was loyal, but he was not. He played with me. I was just another option for him. He made me love him, and then told me, I don't love you. People say love never dies. Yes, it's true. Love never dies. But people make the person in love to die. I left everything for him, each and every damn single thing, and he left me. Life is too small to live it, love it, enjoy it. My life ended with him. He came, filled my life with colors all over, with all the happiness, with all smiles and no tears. But when he went away all the colors faded, all the happiness changed into sadness. All the smiles turned in tears. There is a quote, forgive and forget. How can I forgive that person who changed my life to hell? For whom I was just a thing, and not a girl, to love. I know he is happy with some other girl, but it hurts. It hurts when I see someone else lying in his boyfriend's lap. It hurts to see how people change so fast. It hurts to see a girl talking to his boyfriend from morning till noon. It hurts to see someone do the same what I used to do. It hurts to be in love. Thank you for watching.